Valentine's Day is right around the corner, and since Italian is a very romantic language, why not spice it up this year with some impressive yet realistic phrases? And yes, I'll go over the cheesy lines too. Ciao, I'm Maria, and my passion is to help English speakers like myself become conversational in Italian so they can truly connect and bond and have meaningful conversations with family, friends, and Italian locals. Before we get into anything, if you plan on using some of the lines I'm about to show you, then I would definitely download my free pronunciation guide. The link is in the description. I made it just for English speakers, and I think it's essential for this video so that you don't mispronounce anything and then get totally misunderstood, which, if you're trying to be romantic, could be really awkward. So like I said, check it out. The link is in the description. So first, let's go over some phrases on breaking the ice, because we want to be realistic and then ease into the romance. Our first phrase is ciao. Sei di qui? Ciao. Sei di qui? Hi, are you from here? The second phrase is hai un minuto. Hai un minuto. Do you have a minute? The third one is non potevo non notarti. Non potevo non notarti. And we have that notarti, the R and the T, we really have to emphasize that. So non potevo non notarti. I couldn't help but notice you. This one is smooth and it doesn't feel too rehearsed, so it's not too cheesy. Now we'll get into some cheesy yet adorable lines that are sure to make them laugh, so that's always a win. The next one is sei un arcobaleno. Sei un arcobaleno. You're a rainbow. Yes, it's cheesy, but it's also really sweet and unexpected. The next one is ti ho visto e ho dimenticato il resto. I saw you and I forgot everything else. This one's dramatic, but sometimes drama's fun. I really like this one. The next one is chi ti ha dato il permesso di essere così bella o così bello? Bella, feminine, bello, masculine. Who gave you permission to be beautiful? Corny? Absolutely. Effective? You bet. If you want a really sweet way to tell someone that you want to buy them a coffee, you can say ti offro un caffè, ma porti il sorriso. Ti offro un caffè, ma porti il sorriso. I'll buy you a coffee, but you bring the smile. I need to know this. Do you have a really cute go-to line for flirting? Bonus points if it's in Italian. Let me know in the comments. Now that the cheesy stuff is totally out of the way, let's get into some fun and relatable ways to talk to someone. Non sono brava con le parole, ma mi lasci senza fiato. I'm not great with words, but you leave me breathless. Bravo is masculine, brava is feminine. So for example, I would say non sono brava con le parole, ma mi lasci senza fiato. Sei sempre così carina o è solo oggi? Are you always this cute or is it just today? Sto cercando qualcuno con cui condividere un tiramisù. Sei interessata o interessato for masculine? I'm looking for someone to share a tiramisu. Are you interested? Personally, I know that I wouldn't say no to this one, so I think it's a good one to keep in your back pocket. And if you want a really simple way to ask someone out for a coffee, you could say ti va di prendere un caffè insieme qualche volta? Would you like to grab a coffee together? Or would you like to grab a coffee together sometime? Qualche volta? This one is easygoing, low pressure. It's also a classic Italian coffee date, so you'll feel very natural doing it. At the end of the day, romance is all about connecting as real people, so don't be afraid to throw in a little humor and share your personality. Hopefully these realistic and cheesy phrases are helpful to you. And if you really want to ensure that you're saying things the right way and things don't get totally awkward, check out the link in the description for my totally free pronunciation guide. We cover 9 of the most tricky Italian sounds, so again, check that out. It will be very helpful. And that way you're confident and ready to go. I'll be back next week with another quick fire Italian lesson to help you become conversational and connect with others. So be sure to like, click subscribe, and don't forget to click the little notification bell so you don't miss out on a weekly lesson. And if you want to keep on learning right now, you can check out my next lesson right here. Alla prossima e felice San Valentino. Ciao!